Hello everyone, Raymond Opoku right here once again with the weekly Forex market analysis. Usually I wouldn't do this within the festive season, but this week presents a different scenario. Honestly, I don't trade much during December, but then this week is showing some A+ setups that I don't feel like letting them go. Let us jump right onto our screen and see what we have for this week. We have the USDCHF, the USD CAD, and the NZDUSD in focus for this week. Like I noted already, for this week, we'll be taking a look at the USDCHF, the USD CAD, and the NZDUSD in that order. I'll begin with the USDCHF. The USDCHF has spent some 2 weeks in a descending channel. So for this one, a break to the upside, that is a break of the resistance of the channel, is the most likely scenario. If that doesn't happen, then the least likely scenario could be at play, which is the break below the support of the descending channel. Once the USDCHF remains within the confines of the descending channel, it will remain slightly bearish and it will be prudent not to touch it at all. Moving on to the USD CAD. The USD CAD is also in a medium term downtrend and it has spent a whole month or more under a downtrend line. The previous week ended right below the downtrend line, which is acting as the resistance right now. Once the USD CAD remains below the downtrend line, the bears remain in full control of this pair. But then a break above the resistance, which is the downtrend line, would render this pair bullish, and be very cautious of false breaks on the USD and the USD CAD. The next currency pair to look at on the watch list is the NZDUSD. It is actually negatively correlated with the USD CAD. So we can see that the USD CAD was in a downtrend and the NZDUSD is in an uptrend. So you can actually time the USD CAD to trade the NZDUSD. Once the NZDUSD remains on top of the uptrend line, the bulls remain in control. Only a break below the uptrend line would render the NZDUSD bearish. My pick of the week, that is the favorite pair that I'll be timing for this week, is the USDCHF. As I noted in the beginning of the video, I don't usually trade a lot during the festive season, but this week's setups are A+. I wish you a Merry Christmas in advance. I wish you a profitable trading week if you will trade, and see you probably next week if there are any setups that are showing.